Hello my dears, good afternoon everyone. How are you today? Fine? Oh, very good. So how you will say? If I will ask, how are you? So how you will say? I am fine, thank you. What you will say? I am fine, thank you. Okay. So which period is now? Which period is now? Today now is English period. Which period? English period. Okay. So my dears, look at. Today we are going to learn phonics sound. What? Today we are going to learn phonics sound. Phonics sound of letter U and letter V. Today we are going to learn phonics sound of letter U and V. Okay. Before learning phonics sound, we will learn rhymes. We all will recite a rhyme. Two little dicky birds. Which rhymes? Two little dicky birds. Okay. So are you ready? Are you ready to recite rhyme with me? So all of you stand up. Yes, stand up all of you. So first stand up all of you and you have to say the rhymes with actions. Okay. You have to say the rhymes with action. Okay. Yes or not? So say me yes. Yes. Say loudly now. I can't able to hear you. You have to say loudly. Yes ma'am. We are ready. How you will say? Yes ma'am. We are ready. Okay. So let us start. Two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. You also say two little dicky birds sat on a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Did you like this rhyme? Okay, and once again we will recite. Okay, so ready? Two little dicky birds sat on a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Yay, very good. Once again we will say. Okay, so ready? You have to repeat after me. Two little dicky birds. Say, two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. Sat upon a wall. One named Peter. One named Peter. Other named Paul. Other named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Okay? Yes. Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy? Okay. Once again we will say. Okay? Once again we will say. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Did you enjoy? Okay. Once again, last time we will say, okay? You have to say with action. With action. And you have to say loudly. Okay? And I am saying some of the children are not saying. So say with me all of you, recite the poem. With me? Yes. Two little dicky birds. Say, two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Very good, my dears. Very good. Now clap your hands, all of you. Clap your hands. Very good. So nicely you have recited the poem. Very good. Okay. Now today we have learned phonics sound from letter A to T. A to T. After T, which letter will come? S, T, U. Which letter will come? Letter U. So, U for under, U for up, U for umbrella, U for uncle, U for ugly. Ugly means ganda. U for unlike. Unlike means जो पसंद नहीं होता. Unlike. Okay. So U for under. Under means जैसे look here. जैसे टेबल है. टेबल के नीचे पेन है. Look this. This is table and pen is on the under the table. So what we say under. Okay. Under. Up. Up means up. U for umbrella. U for uncle. U for ugly. Ugly means ganda. Ugly. U for unlike. Unlike means जो पसंद नहीं होता. Unlike. Okay. So today we will learn phonics sound. The sound of U. The sound of U is a. The sound of U is a. Okay. The sound of A is a. The sound of A is a. And sound of E is A. The sound of E is A. And sound of U is a. The sound of U is a. The sound of A is a. The sound of E is A. Okay. And sound of U is a. The sound of U is a. Say all of you. A. 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 Sound of U is a. U. A. Under. Say all of you. U. A. Under. U. A. Up. U. A. Up. U. A. Up. U. A. Umbrella. U. A. Umbrella. U. A. Umbrella. U. A. Uncle. U. A. Uncle. U. A. Uncle. U. A. Ugly. U. A. Ugly. U. A. Ugly. U. A. Unlike. U. A. Unlike. U. A. Unlike. You have to repeat after me. The sound of U is a. The sound of U is a. Say all of you. The sound of U is a. The sound of dog. How dog sound? Bhav bhav. How was sound? Tick tick tick. Like that only. The letters have their own sound. Letter have their own sound. So sound of letter U is a. The sound of letter U is a. All of you say with me. The sound of A is a. And sound of E is A. And sound of U is a. A. The sound of U is a. Look here. U umbrella. Sorry, under. U under. U under. U up. U up. U up. U umbrella. U umbrella. U uncle. U uncle. U ugly. U ugly. U unlike. U unlike. Okay. This is capital U and this is lowercase. This is uppercase U and this is lowercase u. And sound of U is up. And sound of U is up. Okay. After U, which letter will come? Letter V. Which letter will come? Letter V. V. V for van. V for violin. V for volcano. V for vase. V for violet color. Violet color you have seen? Violet color. V for vegetables. V for vegetables. Vegetables you eat? Okay. V for vegetables. Okay. So, look here all of you. Sound of V. The sound of V is V. V. Sound of V is V. Say all of you. V. 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 The sound of V is V. V. The sound of V is V. 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 The sound of V is V. 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 Van. V. V. Van. V. V. Van. V. V. Violin. V. V. Violin. V. V. Violin. V. V. Volcano. V. V. Volcano. Okay, the sound of V is V. The sound of V is V. 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 Volcano. Volcano means Jwalamukhi. Okay, volcano means Jwalamukhi. Okay, so V. V. Volcano. V. V. Volcano. V. V. Vase. V. V. Vase. V. V. Vase. V. V. Violet color. V. V. Violet color. V. V. Vegetables. V. V. Vegetables. V. V. Vegetables. Okay, so we have learned sound of U and letter V. The sound of V is V. The sound of V is V. Now you have to repeat after me. Okay, what you have to do? You have to repeat after me. Say V. V. Van. V. V. Van. V. V. Violin. V. V. Violin. V. V. Violin. V. V. Volcano. V. V. Volcano. V. V. Vase. V. V. Vase. V. V. Violet. V. V. Violet. vegetables. Vegetables. Okay. So we have learned, today we have learned sound of letter U and V. What we have learned? Sound of letter U and V. The sound of letter U is up. The sound of letter U is up. U up. Under. U up. Up. U up. Umbrella. U up. Uncle. U up. Ugly. U up. Unlike. Okay. V. Van. Violent. Volcano. Vase. Violet. Vegetables. Okay. Now we will revise all the letters from letter A to U. Now we will revise all the sounds from letter A to U. We have learned all the sounds. So now we will revise all the letters. What we will do? We will revise all the letters. Okay. So are you ready? So all of you fold your hands and sit properly. Okay. Whenever I will ask you, you have to say loudly and you have to give me answer loudly. What? You have to give me answer loudly. Okay. So all of you look here. A, and sound of A is A. Sound of A is A. B, A, apple. Aeroplane. Bus. Ball. Cup. Okay. Cup. Cat. Door. Doll. Egg. Sound of E is egg. Egg. Okay, sound of E is egg. Then tell me. Egg. Then yes, sound of E is egg. Egg. Engine. Okay. Sound of F is F. Sound of F is fish. Fan. Sound of G is G. Gun. Girl. Sound of G is G. Gun. Girl. Sound of H is house. Horse. Sound of H is I. Sound of I is E. Igloo. Insect. J. Sound of J is J. Jar. Joker. Sound of J is J. K. Sound of K is K. Sound of K is K. Kite. Kangaroo. L. Sound of L is L. Lion. Lamb. M. Sound of M is M. Monkey. Money. Sound of M is M. N. N. Sound of N is N. N. Nest. No. O. Sound of O is O. O. Orange. Oval. Sound of O is O. P. Sound of P is P. P. Parrot. Pen. Sound of P is P. Q. Sound of Q is Q. Quack. Quack. Queen. R. Sound of R is R. Rat. Sound of R is R. Rat. Red. Sound of S is S. Snake. Sun. Sound of S is S. Snake. Sun. T. Sound of T is T. Sound of T is T. Table. Thumb. Thumb. Okay. Teacher. Tab. Sound of T is T. U. Sound of U is up. Sound of U is up. Sound of U is up. V. Sound of V is V. Sound of V is V. Okay. We have learned sound of all these letters. What we have learned? We have learned sound of all these letters. A, A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A, F, G, K, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, R, V, V. Okay. So keep practicing at your home all these phonics sound. Okay. And send me videos also of your phonics sound. And today your homework is you have to complete page number 15. You have to write lowercase letter E in your book. Okay, you have to complete this lowercase letter E and lowercase letter F. Okay, you have to complete this book. Alphabet writing, capital and small. You have to complete all the letters in this book. Okay, so your homework is page number 15 and 17. You have to complete this book. Okay, complete this book. And you have to, what you have to do, you have to recite the rhyme. You have to recite the rhyme at your home again and again. Which rhymes we have learned today? Two little dicky birds. Okay, which rhymes we have learned today? Two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Okay, so So recite this poem, practice at your home. Till then, bye and have a nice day.